Hey guys, here's how you can turn the connection from Zlink to Carletter or vice versa in the G-Series head units. First, you just need to come into settings. From there, click factory. The password will either be 1212 or 121212 depending on your firmware. For this one, it's 1212. Just hit OK. That'll bring you into the factory settings. Just need to scroll down until you find mobile phone settings, and here you can pick between either Zlink, which is what this car is currently on, or Carletter, depending. You can see L letter there. Once you do that, it will restart the system. Just hit OK. From there, the system will restart, and whichever option you picked, the car will boot up with either Zlink or Carletter.